Hi guys, I'm going to show you a quick hair tutorial on how to tie a slick back pony with having all of your hair taken back. So yeah, stay tuned. So I'm going to go right into it. So just make sure your hair's combed nicely so there's no knots. My hair's quite straight, so I'm not straightening it, but I would recommend if you've got wavy or curly hair, then just to give it a quick straighten. And so I'm literally just taking everything back. This is going to be quite snatched back, guys, so literally slick back all of your hair. Everything you see. Perfect. I'm going to take my hair tie and tie this up. So we've tied it quite high, so we've tied it literally at the crown. Perfect. So that's how it is, and I'm going to show you how I make it more slick back, add a bit of volume into my pony, and also hide the hair tie. So the first thing is we're going to go in with our ponytail. Take a small section from underneath. So literally this much of my ponytail. And I'm going to comb it through all the way. I'm just going to add some serum to it. So this is the Got to Be Oilicious. So I'm just going to pop some of that onto my hand. And then all the way around. Now I'm going to then back comb slightly all the way down, and then I'm going to get some hairspray. So I'm going to use the Bedhead TGI hairspray, TIGI, and spray that all the way. And then I'm going to flatten that out. Now we're going to go all the way around our pony, like so, a couple of times. Keep going. And that just gives that snatched feel to the pony. Now that last bit, so I've still got some to go, and now that last bit, I'm going to take a bobby pin and literally pin it and tuck that into the pony, like so. And then tuck back on the slicked back part of the pony. Now you've got a snatched pony, but I've not got a lot of volume, especially in this part, and I've not added any clippings. So what I'm going to do is, in small sections, take my hair, add a bit of hairspray, and then just back comb at the roots very gently. I'm just going to do that quickly to all of my strands. some of this oil to the hair, all the way. So the pony's sorted, but the hair is still not fully snatched back. So I'm going to go in with the oil, apply this to my hands, literally apply this to my hair all the way, and then remember this brush, I'm going to go in with it all the way back. And then pull it back. There's a teeny bit here that I'm just gonna take a U-pen and push back. You've got that snatched feel. One last trick to keep your pony staying in that position is get a U-pen underneath your hair, put that U-pen in, and then push it down. That will hold your pony in that, basically you won't lose that the pull that's in your hair right now. And guys, this is literally it. And I'm just going to go in finally with some hairspray. And this in the middle. Perfect. And that's your hair tutorial, guys. Please do subscribe to my channel if you have enjoyed creating these quick little looks that I've done for you, and please do comment below if you have any other suggestions of anything that you'd like to see during this isolation, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.